Two teenagers gone missing in Santa Cruz. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two young girls from separate homes gone missing in Santa Cruz at the same time. Based on reports from the Police Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, two young girls went missing from their home in separate incident in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday night, April the 13th. As a result, a high alert has been activated for 11-year-old Rihanna Bennett of Burnt Ground, Foster Park, Santa Cruz, and another alert has been activated for a 15-year-old who goes by the name Monique Colloon of Retirement Road, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Both girls were reported last seen around 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Rihanna is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 127 centimeters or 4 feet 2 inches tall, while Monique is brown in complexion, silk built, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Santa Cruz police are that Rihanna was last seen in Santa Cruz town dressed in a pink jumper suit. All efforts to locate her since has been unsuccessful. Likewise, the Santa Cruz police reported that Monique was last seen in Santa Cruz town just in a white blouse. All efforts to contact her since has been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of both Rihanna Bennett and also Monique is being asked to contact the Santa Cruz police at 876-966-2289, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.